Are you bored with rectangular frames or circular frames in Photoshop? You can create frames like this very quickly. The first thing you need to do with frames is make certain the layer is not locked. So click and no longer locked. Go to the tool panel in Photoshop and select the frame tool. Then go along the top and select custom frame. With that, then go to the shape and click and select a frame. I'm going to go with this one, spiral shapes. You can find that in the legacy shapes and more. Now go to the image and just click and apply. And there you have your framed image, super quick. If you want to resize it or move it, go to the move tool, select the bounding box and reposition it as well as resize it. The key thing is that show transform controls needs to be on and this needs to be selected. If you want to resize the image inside the frame, all you need to do, select this using the move tool and then reposition it, move it around and again make certain show transform is on and resize it and press return. If you decide to change the image, make certain the image is selected here, then go to the libraries and select and drag and release. If you want to add some effects to the frame, go to layer and then smart objects and convert to smart object. This frame is converted to a smart object. Then go over here to effects, click here and then go down to bevel and emboss. And then you can resize the depth and size, soften, etc. and click OK. You can also add filter effects, filter, and then go to distort and wave, change the generator number, wavelength, amplitude and click OK. And there you have a wonderful frame effect. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Bye.